Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we start today's video, let me ask you something. Think about your website for a second. You have probably got old blogs on there, things you wrote 2, 3 years ago, and right now they are just sitting there, buried on page 6, page 7 of Google. Nobody reads them, nobody finds them, and they bring nothing, no leads as such. So, what do most people do? Or what do you do? You probably go write more. New blogs, new topics, start all again. That's what we all basically do, right? But here's what we have learned. A lot of the time, you don't need new content. You're already sitting on gold. It's just buried. And it only needs the right push to come to life. Um, Let me show you what I mean. So one of our clients in a company called Triangle IP, one day we were going through their keyword data and we saw one blog which caught our eye. It was from 2021. It was sitting all the way down on page 7. Now here's the interesting part. When we first wrote this piece, um, we wrote it for one keyword and it never ranked for that keyword, not once. And this is the part nobody had noticed. It was quietly ranking for a different keyword and a better one. So we didn't guess our way through the fix. We followed a clear step by step checklist. Let me walk you through it. Uh, I'll show you how we went about this. So step one, we picked the right keyword out of the four few keywords that blog was already showing up for. We chose patentability assessment, where it had good search volume, low competition, the best shot at the climbing. So instead of forcing the keyword we wanted, we followed the one Google was already giving us. And number two, we removed the stale stuff, old expired offers, things that were tied to an older version of the product, anything that was just sitting there adding clutter. And of course, Google rewards fresh content, so we cleaned it all out. Now, step three, we removed the stale stuff. We match what the reader actually wanted. When someone searches patentability assessment, they are really asking for two things. Is this idea worth a patent? Will it actually get granted? Things like that. So the good news is our content already answered that because it came from a patent attorney with a 25 years of experience, Thomas Franklin, the founder of Triangle IP. We didn't, actually rewrite it as much. We just sharpened the language around the new keyword, and that's all. The step four, we added FAQs, real questions people were searching for. Now, this helps us show up in featured snippets and AI answers. It keeps readers on the page and it builds trust, right? Now, the step five, it was to fix the on page SEO, the title, URL, meta description. So, we front loaded the keywords so Google knew exactly what this blog was about, right? And then there comes the sixth step, which was we brought readers closer to become our customers, and for that, we added some lead magnets, free downloadable stuff inside the blog, like an idea evaluation metrics. So, readers had a reason to leave their emails. Um, then we weren't just writing for clicks, we were building our path from just reading to actually interested. And the next step was in the process, the seventh step was it was quite important. We checked what our changes might break. If changing the URL could have broken every link pointing to that blog. So before publishing, we set up a redirect. So nothing broke. And then comes the fourth step, which was we got it one powerful backlink, just one, um, but not any backlink actually. The founders writes a column for entrepreneurs. It's a massive trusted website, so we placed one national link from there, and here's the lesson. Well, one link from a site that's strong, that a strong website beats 50 weak ones. Okay, so pick wisely. And step 9, it was to make it reach to the target audiences. That's distribution. We shared it on LinkedIn straight to the right people, IP professionals, innovation managers, the exact crowd who would care. Now, after all our efforts, the time was to see if it actually worked for us or not. But let me tell you, this blog went from page 7 to third spot on page 1 on Google. And then came the bonus. It started showing up in AI answers, on ChatGPT, on Perplexity, in Google AI overviews. But honestly, the ranking wasn't even the best part. In just 1 month, let me show you, in just 1 month, um, that one blog brought in 4 strong leads. And now these are not any random clicks. People from top universities and serious research teams, they searched about this thing, and they landed on a product. Um, and these are the exact buyers our client had been trying to reach for years. And that right there is what we do at Concurate. We don't just keep pumping out new content. We go back, we find the stuff that's quietly underperforming, and we turn it into something that actually bring in business. So if you are sitting on a pile of old blogs that feels like the dead weight, trust me, there's probably gold buried in there. Now, if you are interested, um, and if you wanted to talk more about this with us, you can book a call. So I'm leaving a link down in the comments, and just go and book a call, and we can plan a whole strategy for your SaaS product also. Till then, take care. Bye bye.